Hello everyone, this is my purple talk for IEEE APS Young Professional Ambassador Program. The topic today is on advanced analog multi-beam forming antennas for green wireless. I'm Shulin Chen from the University of Technology, Sydney, UTS, Australia. Before diving into the technical details, I'll briefly introduce myself. I obtained my PhD degree from UTS in 2019, while I'm currently a lecturer at UTS. I'm awarded the prestigious ARC DECRA, so that's the Discovery Early Career Research Award from 2025 to 2028. My research interests lie in applied electromagnetics, and I have served as a member of the editor roles for IEEE journals. I also served as the chief investigator for several major industry projects. This is the outline for today's talk. So first, I'll briefly introduce the background. So that's the rise of green wireless. Then I will present the associated antenna challenges in green wireless. For that, I will present our advanced analog multi-beam forming technologies. So first, I will briefly introduce the concept of the generalized joint coupler GJC matrix technology. Following that, I will introduce our recent design of the uniform array compatible GJC matrix for independent multiple beams. As a further technology extension, I will introduce our latest design on the wide-angle multi-beam scanning that to address the beam coverage issues to achieve the wide-angle coverage. Besides the angular coverage issues, I will further address the beam squint issues. So that's to achieve the wideband multi-beam squint-free GJC matrix. So finally, I will conclude this talk. As we may observe, the wireless technologies has achieved a rapid growth, right? Take the cellular networks as an example. So as we can see, from the early first generation cellular technologies, so in around 1980s, the data rate is very low, right? So only multiple kilobit per second. And then evolved to our today's 5G systems, or even to the future 6G, the data rate is expected to be more than 1 terabit per second. Right? With this evolution of the wireless technologies, so many new capabilities can be enabled, such as very accurate positioning and sensing and real-time AI-related applications. And also, a number of the capabilities can be improved, such as the reliability, latency, and mobility. However, with this surge in the wireless technologies, it do pose significant challenges to energy consumption and cost. For example, by 2030, the ICT sector could consume more than 20% of global electricity use. Therefore, the green wireless technology that lies in energy efficient, low cost, and sustainable wireless technologies become essential. As mentioned, for future emerging applications like the autonomous networks, joint communication and sensing, and unmanned aerial vehicle or UAV. So these applications do lead the multi-beam forming antennas to talk to multiple targets or users at the same time. So conventional technology use the digital beamforming antenna networks that usually are very cost prohibitive and energy intensive. In contrast, the analog A multi-beamform antennas that based on the circuit, RF circuit, are more energy efficient and low cost, make them more beautiful and promising for future green valleys.